Namaste to everyone. We are from Subhadham Ashram, Sri Lanka. This is the one lesson to improve your immunity system. When you stay at home for the avoid the COVID, you can try to do this meditation and the breathing system. This technique called the Bastika, how to do? First you have to take passive inhalation and active exhalation in very high speed. You have to do this. First you have to sit on the Padmasana, then a spine erect. Just focus to one point in front of you. Close your eyes properly. Then take a long breath, inhale, exhale. Then we'll go to breathing. It's a passive inhalation and active exhalation like this. Just this meditation and the breathing exercise 20 times per day is enough, but at least you have to practice 1 month and then you can regulate to practice it. So this will help definitely to improve your immunity and the lungs capacity. Just try with this and we'll meet again from the next lesson. You can follow all art in yoga at all art in yoga page, and stay blessed at home and please take care of you. Namaste.